Hi everyone, and I will be going over the week 4 lab. So part A is covering chapter 6 and part B will be covering chapter 7. In chapter 6 there's a zip file that you can download. It's xex06reservation.zip from Blackboard, and when you open that up you will have a basically blank template that you will add a number of controls to and set the CSS. So to the left of your screen is the solution for chapter 6 and all the form controls that you will add. You scroll down in the lab to the left. You see that you will add a arrival date, a departure date. Here we have a radio button for a bed type for a hotel room, a drop-down list for preferred contact information down at the bottom. So basically just go through 1 through 9 and add the proper form controls, and then in 10 through 12 you'll add the CSS, and 13 through 16 you'll add the code behind in C#. So I'll go ahead and fill out this form for you. Arrival date will be 2/6, departure date of 2/7. One person, I'll mark 1 queen bed, special request, free food. And then I'll add some contact information. Matt Crowley. Email address. And a telephone number. And preferred method is, I'll just keep his email and I'll hit submit. And we'll see at the very bottom we get thank you for your request, and we will get back to you within 24 hours. So that is the first part of the lab, and in the second part, part B, you're going to add validation. So I'm going to flip over to the next tab on the right. We have chapter 7 solution, and again it's just like chapter 6, but what we're going to add is all the validation methods. So for instance, with a departure date, I'm going to put a day before my arrival date, so 2/5/2017, and you see we have an error message that it must be after the arrival date. If I add an email address, for instance, just gibberish, we get a must be a valid email address message. Same thing with a telephone number. We have to use a specific format. So again, what you'll do is you'll go through all of these items in the lab and add the specific validation for the form entries that are specified. So this should be a simple lab for everyone. Again, we're going over concepts that we've talked about in prior chapters, but kind of putting it all together into one little reservations app. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to post on the discussion board, and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. If you run into some serious problems with the lab, remember you're always welcome to email me or ask questions of your peers on the discussion board as well. Good luck on the assignment, and talk to you soon.